Can't remember the last time I had legit eggnog, but...
It was like yesterday.
Yeah, that's a no from me, dog.
What's wrong with it?
I don't like it. No, Santa, come back. You're supposed to go this way. Why'd you go that way? Ah! Santa, why? Come back. Ladies and gentlemen, it is officially the most wonderful time of year at the Magic Kingdom. Look at this tree. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. It's lovely. Christmas has returned to the Magic Kingdom. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. We are back at the Magic Kingdom and all the holiday decorations have been put up. So far, a lot more effort put into the holiday decorations than they did for the Halloween decorations. So, very excited about that. We're only going to be here for a little bit this evening. It's going on 6 o'clock right now. The park closed at 9. We're going to walk around, take a look at some of the decorations, maybe ride a few rides or two, look at the castle projections, which I'm going to let you know right now, Coda is not a real big fan of. But we will discuss that when we get over to the castle itself. But yeah, it's a bit of a drizzly, you know, gloomy, gusty evening, so not quite sure how much we're going to get done. We'll definitely be back another time to take a closer look at everything during the day, but I'm still excited to just be here in the Magic Kingdom at night. So let's not waste any more time. Let's head on through. We got ourselves a long line of people waiting to get a picture in front of the Christmas tree, which I don't even know why, because you don't get the full tree in the picture. The cameraman's right there and there's right there. All you get is the boxes, but whatever floats their boat. It's totally fine. Everyone's happy. This is the time of year that we most definitely needed in our lives for 2020. Can we just take a moment to talk about the crowd levels on Main Street USA right now? Like, oh my God, this is the most crowds we've seen since the park reopened. Just take a look at this. Disney, I will say, you know, you said you wanted to avoid crowding on Main Street. Everybody and their grandmothers is stopping to take pictures of everything. And granted, it looks like a lot of people are leaving the park right now, which is a good sign. So at first glance, it looks really crowded, but for the most part, people are kind of sticking to their own groups. It's just that there's so many little groups here and there that it looks really, really crowded. I mean, don't get me wrong, it's still crowded, but it's not as bad. It's not like shoulder to shoulder people. Do you agree? So it's not terrible. It just looks terrible. Do you want to list any specifics as to why you don't really care too much for the castle?
I will take rose gold over this nastiness that's happening. There's too much going on. Like, that's just it. There's too much going on. Why red? Like, you can still see everything through the projection. And if it's not lined up right, which it looks like somebody fixed the one spot that it wasn't lined up right, it just looks like crap. I don't like it. 0 out of 10, do not recommend. I also didn't like the show they did last year, or the Tower of Terror one that they did. No, not my thing. Don't like it. Have your own opinion. I think it's gross.
Okay, so you guys got Coda's opinion on the on the castle projections. I'm indifferent. I think they're okay. Do I think they're perfect? No. Do I really care too much for them? Not really. But I still enjoy them as an alternative. Do I think it's a suitable alternative? No, absolutely not. I'd much rather have the dream lights. Why they decided not to do the dream lights, I have no idea. They were citing, you know, crowd concerns and, you know, other, you know, COVID related issues. But you still have a lot of people who are crowding up front. If you wanted, you know, you could have, in my opinion, you could have done the dream lights, just don't do the show. You know, don't do the whole spectacular lighting ceremony with Anna and Elsa and things like that, and just turn on the castle lights. That's just me. But let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below on your thoughts on the projections. At least in Tomorrowland, it feels like there's a lot more space to move around. Much more space for activities. I wonder how long it is for Buzz Lightyear. Only a 10-minute wait. Don't mind if I do. Do you want control of the joystick or do you want me to have it? Alrighty. Let's see how well I can do while recording. Oh dear. We are neck and neck. We are neck and neck. Oh no, we're leading, we're leading, we're leading! The claw, we gotta get the claw on top! The claw! Which one is mine? Holy It was close, kinda. But we missed that claw. That claw is integral to getting 100,000 or 9 to maxing it out. You got to get that claw.
Without hitting that claw.
Really? Oh, then you were probably cheating. Another big yikes for us is the line for mine train stretches out and around back towards Storybook Circus. So that's a thing. I wonder how long the wait actually is. It's probably like an hour or something. I am for sure loving the red and green.
Looks like trash.
So you like this more than the front?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Interesting. Okay. Well, now we know what Coda's on board with and what she's not. Don't worry, folks. Nothing to see here. It's a Small World. Is not down for refurbishment, but it is behind a very colorful scrim. Only 5 minutes. Don't mind if I do. What the heck? The Rivers of America's drained. Oh, yeah, I did. I just completely forgot. Looks gross.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the haunted mansion. Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue our little tour.
See, once you make it off Main Street, the crowd levels are actually very, very fine. But, you know, it just sucks that once you get on Main Street, it's as crowded as it is. But it's to be expected, I guess, with how popular the Christmas decorations are each year. So, how soon can we see the lovely sign out front that says closed for refurbishment to make way for our new president? Anytime soon, please? Like tomorrow? As soon as possible. Okay, so we're over here at the Christmas shop looking at decorations, and then we come across this one. Can we talk about the scale here between Lady and the baby? Like, if this is to scale, Lady is a big dog. Holy cow.
Pinocchio's 80, Cinderella's 70. Holy crap.
Yeah, they old.
You know, this makes me feel old. Old. I'm 25.
Yep.
I wasn't even born when that came out. Jesus.
I was. It's slightly amusing to see that the projections are reflecting off the rain. You guys are good. You're fine. Thank you. But yeah, it just amuses me. You can see raindrops and you can see like candy cane. You know, we're already kind of wet, so might as well. I absolutely loved working this attraction. It was so much fun. So many memories, good and bad.
suit size. How do you do? Mighty pleasant greeting. Pretty good, sure as your phone. Pretty good, sure as your phone. How do you do? My brother's name. How do you do? Say your name, baby. I'm on the phone.
So pray around people for living.
Ah, he's working too.
He tries to go.
What you gonna do?
Well, I mean, he's half working, his head isn't turning, but that's fine. Ah, yes, another glorious ride down Chickapin Hill. It honestly feels so nice to be back in Magic Kingdom at night. This is probably one of my favorite parks to be in at night. And it's not even late either. It like just crossed over into 8 o'clock too. Yeah. So it's quite nice. And again, I just want to say how thankful I am that we are able to come to the theme parks. I know over in California, you guys are struggling over there. You guys only have, you know, downtown Disney that's open right now.
Well,
So yeah, I know.
But
It's not the parks, you know, they can't go in and they can't ride Small World or Space Mountain, Matterhorn. They can't do all the fun stuff. So I just, you know, want you guys to know that I am thankful, and I'm not taking any of this for granted, and I'm happy that I can take you guys along with me. I see you Californians in the comments section. You guys always appreciate the videos from Disney, so I'm thinking about you. Okay, so we are getting the sugar and spice churros, Christmas cookie churros with icing, topped with holiday sprinkles and stirred with eggnog. I'm super excited, and Coda's got it over here. And Coda loves churros, and there's 2 of them, so we can share. And it comes with eggnog. I can't remember the last time I legitimately had eggnog. Coda had almond eggnog the other day, which is, you know, fake. It's not the real stuff. It's cheating. But I'm excited. Let's go around the corner over here. Oh, look, trash cans. Perfect. All right, you go ahead and try the first one.
which one do you want?
I don't know. You can take the one with the most stuff on it.
You don't like the stuff?
No, you can have the stuff. I'm trying to be nice.
Oh, there's also stuff in the bottom.
You digging it? Okay, now try the eggnog.
Go out sleep with me. I've had better, but I've had worse.
You've had better and you've had worse? Okay. All right, again, it's still raining out here. Let me go ahead and try to blip, blip, blip. All right, now it's my turn to try the eggnog. Can't remember the last time I had legit eggnog, but
So yesterday.
yeah, that's a no from me, dog.
What's wrong with it?
I don't like it.
Do you like eggnog anymore?
I can't remember the last time I had eggnog. So I don't know if I've ever had a legitimate eggnog before. I actually like the almond eggnog that you gave me the other day. I like that better than this, which is weird. But anywho, now we know I don't like eggnog. Well, the hub isn't looking that bad right now. Definitely a lot less crowded than it was earlier when we first walked in, and that was at like 6 o'clock, and we're just after 8. So just in case you guys are wanting to know what crowd levels are like around what time. But yeah, not quite as bad. And you know, despite what Coda says, I don't mind it. You know, it's only in the evenings right now. Would I prefer the dream lights? Yeah, but all in all, it's not bad. I don't mind it. Breaking news, guys. So the castle changed, and Coda says she approves.
I said I can deal.
It's the same thing. You heard it here first, guys. She approves of this particular castle look.
I mean, it still looks fake, but
This is for sure the most photogenic time of year for Main Street, USA. It looks absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, Coda definitely loves the little nugget backpack. It's a little mini backpack. So it is in fact nugget sized. Alright, well, that is gonna do it from us here at the Magic Kingdom. We'll be back very, very soon during the day to check out some of the cavalcades and some more of their holiday offerings. But the park is going to be closing very, very soon. It's time for us to get out of here. It's a glorious feeling when you're ahead of the pack, the very first one.
You almost feel important. Like
I know.
Line leader in kindergarten.
The line leader in kindergarten. Very, very accurate. We just got everyone else coming down behind us.